The Lee Fire continues to grow tonight. It has now surpassed 116,000 acres, making it the fifth largest in state history. And it's just one of more than a dozen wildfires burning in the western slope. Denver 7's Allie Jenner-John is in Rifle tonight as the fire grows closer to town.
What you're looking at right now, to me, is a community that cares. People from Garfield County and Rifle gathering right here at Colorado Mountain College Rifle campus to hear about just how safe are they. They're speaking one-on-one with public officials right now after attending a community meeting that ended around 7:45 Monday night, where we heard from lawmakers, the sheriff of Garfield County, and fire officials as well. All of them referenced maps like this one, where you're able to see both fires in question right now. The Elk Fire that stayed relatively steady, as well as the Lee Fire that we know now is the fifth largest wildfire in the state of Colorado's history. Monday night, response teams talked strategy, calling the Lee Fire unprecedented and walking community members through meetings they have that focus on what they call values or priorities. Life and property are number one, also considering farmers, agriculture, oil, gas, and risk to responders. We spent all day in Rifle, where the smoke was heavy and many people we spoke to had already packed go bags. So we asked Bethany Urban, a spokesperson for Rocky Mountain Team 3, just how threatened or not is Rifle.
So the fire is still, a decent ways from Rifle. It hasn't gone onto the, this lower area here yet on the Roan Plateau. As you saw inside, we always plan ahead, right? Right now, Rifle doesn't even have an evacuation zone.
On Tuesday, Urban has invited us to meet her in Meeker to speak with more fire officials and get the chance to potentially look at some of the damage from the Lee Fire. If you have any questions you want us to bring to fire officials tomorrow, scan this QR code on your screen. It'll take you to my email and you can send me a note. Reporting in Rifle, I'm Allie Jenner-John.